Cylinder misfire issues can really throw a wrench in your day, particularly after you've just changed your spark plugs, expecting a smooth ride. There's a sense of irony when your attempt to do some car maintenance throws things further out of whack. But not to worry, we can troubleshoot this together. First, let's acknowledge the role of spark plugs in the grand concert that is your vehicle's engine. They're like the lead guitarists. If they're not in tune, the whole performance suffers. So when cylinder 4 starts acting up right after a plug change, there are a few areas where things might have gone sideways. Check the spark plug properly. Mistakes happen. It's possible that the new spark plug in cylinder 4 isn't properly installed. Perhaps it's not tightened to the right torque, it's the wrong type for your vehicle, or it's simply defective. It wouldn't hurt to remove it and do a quick inspection. Sometimes, the smallest thing overlooked is the root of the problem. Inspect the spark plug wire or coil pack. Your spark plug needs a good partner to dance with, and that's where the spark plug wire or coil pack comes into play. If the wire is damaged or the coil pack is malfunctioning, it won't matter how new and shiny that spark plug is. For vehicles with coil packs, swapping the suspect coil pack with another cylinder's pack is a quick way to diagnose the issue. If the misfire follows the coil pack, you've found your culprit. Fuel injector blues. Just as we can't live on air alone, your engine can't run on spark only. It needs fuel. A clogged or malfunctioning fuel injector for cylinder 4 could be limiting the fuel supply, leading to a misfire. Sometimes a good fuel system cleaner can help, but some cases may require a more hands-on approach or even replacement. Compression test. How's the engine's health? If everything else checks out, it's wise to perform a compression test. This will give you a peek into the engine's overall health. Low compression in cylinder 4 could mean issues with the valves, piston rings, or even the cylinder head itself. This is more serious and might require professional intervention. Electrical and sensor check. Lastly, modern engines are heavily reliant on sensors and electronic feedback systems. A faulty sensor, like a problematic crankshaft sensor, can lead to misfire detections. A thorough scan with an OBD2 scanner might shed some light on such issues. Living in Portland, Oregon, where the weather can be a bit unpredictable, it's important to keep in mind that moisture and dampness can also affect the electrical components of your vehicle. Sometimes, what seems like a major problem is just Mother Nature throwing a bit of a fit. By approaching the problem methodically and checking off each potential cause, you can narrow down the issue and find a solution. Remember, while it's satisfying to fix problems on your own, there's no shame in seeking help from a professional when things get too complex. Stay curious, stay handy, and keep your ride smooth.